It's hovering above.
What the heck? Yeah, it's floating.
It's Lord Rick of the Paranormal and Ghost Society. I am filming a UFO, an unidentified flying object above a hill. The colors appear to be blending. Multicolored lights. Do you see it?
Me? Oh.
It's gone, man. Oh, there it is
No,
again.
it's still there.
What the heck happened? It just like disappeared.
It was just on the ground. Now it's in it, you know.
It is in the air.
What the heck? Oh my god, vital.
Look at the blues, purple, aqua, multicolor lights. In October of 2013, I had captured a photo of a UFO about 5 miles from here. And tonight we came out on the front porch to put away the bicycle and had noticed multicolor lights high up above the hill. It's you know, there are people that will sometimes take a four-wheeler up or a car halfway up the hill, but this thing appears to be just hovering, and it fades in and it fades out.
Scott, now
What is that, man?
I do not know.
I mean, look at it.
Shiny.
I can't zoom in too far because it just doesn't, it doesn't show up very well. Yeah, so you can see the object. It looks like a round orb. And then if I zoom out, you can get the whole view of it, just slowly lights blinking. Beyond that hill, there's a hill back there, but beyond the hill, there's actually a very ancient area to the Washoe people. So there's a lot of legend and folklore back beyond those hills. Look at it. It seems to be moving. Anyways, check us out. This is Lord Rick at www.paranormalghostsociety.org. And we are filming an orb above the mountains or foothills of the Sierras. We're at the tip of the Sierra Triangle. The object has moved to the right. Multicolor lights. There you go. Is it lifting off?
I do not.
It looks like it's going up, man.
It is.
Wow. This thing's moving all around, left, right, left. That's definitely a UFO. I cannot identify this object. This is actually one of my first UFO videos ever. I've been really getting into UFOs lately because of the multitude of pictures I've taken the last few years. And I've been surrounded by these objects. It's a very cold night, below zero. And this object appears to have multicolor lights, and they just blend into one another. Does it look like it's moving?
Yeah, it's got higher.
Yeah, it's going higher up. Let's see if I can zoom out a little. I'll show you.
Cam's good when you can see it really good.
It is definitely higher. It's hovering over. There's a hill behind that house. It's hovering on the hill. I cannot identify what it is. But I mean, what would cause that type of light? Blue, purple, violet, aqua, sometimes a little bit of white mixed in. Many different hues. Wait till you see the video, I'll show you. Right there, I could see it's an object. You can see it's a round object. Hold on, let me zoom out. There we go. Oh yeah. It's a saucer-shaped object, and it just, the lights are blending. I could see the hill, the line of the hill.
Oh, I should like go hiking that.
You know, it is very possible that a saucer-like object is landed up there. You know what we would have to do?
Hike up there and see.
Hike up there and see if there's any burnt earth or possibly anything where something may have sat, like maybe a circle or something.
I'll go up there. Just as when we go. Oh, I'll go up there by myself.
It's changing. It was giving off a little bit of white and yellow light. Forgive me, folks, if I'm very shaky in the camera. It is extremely cold out, and I am hardly dressed right now because I came running out here with the camera. Very cold out tonight, and we're talking sub-zero temperatures, so not a lot of people would be out to witness such a thing. But it appears like something is either landed on the hill. A couple times I noticed it kind of lifted off and came back down. Oh, here we go. I'm zoomed in almost all the way. Oh my God. Blue, purple, green, aqua, all these different colors. You see it, folks? It's a sphere. It's a sphere, and it's flashing all different colors. Let me zoom out a little. This is not the first time I've seen something strange back on that hill. One night I seen lights all the way up to the top of the mountain almost. Never seen lights like that before again. It was just the oddest thing. They were like white orbs, but this is a very strange area. This is the foothills of the Sierras, bordering the Sierra Triangle, and this is an orb-like object, and it's just up there, and you can see it's multicolor. When you zoom in, it's just a round orb. Fascinating. I'd like to keep filming, but as I've said, it's getting very difficult to hold the camera in sub-zero temperatures. I want to try to catch this thing lifting off, but it's not moving. It's like, you know, maybe they're abducting people from the houses below. The lights all over the place.
My feet are cold.
I know, man, but this is like the opportunity of a lifetime. Crap, man. I don't see it. There it is. It's getting faint and weaker.
Go farther out.
I know it's going further out over the foothills. As you can see, folks, the light's starting to fade. Barely visible anymore. It's slowly moving over the foothills of the Sierras. This is Lord Rick. Jarrod and I are out here on December 12th of 2013. I'm not going to give you an exact location, but I will tell you one thing. It is the foothills that I'm filming of the Sierra Nevadas. And the object is gone. It's totally flew over the foothills and it's gone. It was just hovering and bouncing around and it stayed still for a while and then faded from obscurity.
Oh, I see. It's got higher.
Yeah, the object has gotten higher. This is the second part of the video. Now you guys remember, I want to show you something. Here's the house. The hill is just behind. But you can see the multicolor lights. I decided to go in the house and get warm. When I came back outside, I realized that the object was now a lot higher. And I mean, there's even a little red, lime green. There's just so many different hues and colors. It's obviously not a car up on the hill or a truck or anything like that. The object has seemed to change colors, a lot of different colors, which makes it a very unique object being filmed. And as a UFOologist, since I've moved to the South Lake Tahoe region, I have photographed numerous UFOs, but I have not had a chance to actually get up close and personal and film one in this region until tonight on December 12th of 2013. And of course, tomorrow's Friday the 13th, so a little bit strange. It almost looks like it's two, when you zoom out, it's almost like it's got two round spheres connected to one another. And then you zoom in and you realize it's just one, but then you can see all the multicolors. This is incredible. This is really incredible footage. We will keep an eye out on what this object decides to do, if it decides to jet off to space, stay on the mountain for a good hour, 2 hours. I've heard of sightings lasting up to 3-4 hours in South America recently, so this could be one of the cases, but it's much higher. It's no longer on the hill. It's just above the foothills of the Sierras. Ain't nothing but winds, ice, and snow up in them mountains. There's nothing out there where this thing is hovering. Nothing. I believe we have something very genuine, something that we can actually share in the UFO community and maybe make some believers out of some people that our planet is visited by thousands and thousands of UFOs a month. And abductions are very real, and it's not a matter of if an alien invasion will occur, it's a matter of when. Especially knowing that we live in a universe full of billions and billions of stars, planets, solar systems, galaxies. There's many solar systems that have Earth-like planets and probably intelligent life that's thousands and thousands of years ahead of the human race. Therefore, they're able to travel the stars and use anti-gravity to traverse the universe or our solar system. But this is the oddest thing. I mean, you can see all the different colors. I mean, earlier when I was filming, it was mainly purple, green, and blue. Now we're getting orange, red, yellow, and it all just continuously blends. There we go. That's as close as I can get. If you can find an explanation for this, I would love to hear it. This is Lord Rick. I'm wowed. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Never thought I'd actually be able to have an opportunity like this to get a front row seat to a flying saucer practically hovering over my home. Please check us out, www.paranormalghostsociety.org.